Now we're getting into the darker part of the trail. I just got off the boat looking for snakes up in here. Maybe see some proboscis monkeys a little bit later on down the trail here. We have to see. All of our intrepid travelers are in back of me here coming down, so there it is. Okay, so there's a little map here. I don't know where we are on here, but we're going somewhere on here. Okay.
Customer service.
Customer service, one-stop center.
And then get the honey from the crack of the tree.
Bees up
and
there.
the hole that they created on the tree trunk will be home by the hornbills.
Good honey.
So they have a very good symbiotic relationship. The bees, the sunbay, and also the hornbill species. So they are 6 types of hornbills. And right now,
hey, we're going off the paved trail here into the deep dark jungle here. So the point's unknown. There's a monkey somewhere up here. That's why we're coming in to investigate it. But there's a vine up there. Don't think I'll be able to swing on it, but it says, welcome to the Pearl of Southern Sarawak. Trail map for Bako National Park, Sarawak. And it says, you are here. So right here, we just walked this beach to clean up garbage and everything while we had some spare time. We got about 5 big garbage bags full. And I think we landed somewhere over here and we walked, maybe we landed there, we walked down here. And I don't know where we're going next, but we're looking for monkeys and a whole bunch of other things here. There's different trails listed here, and they probably go out yonder, I guess. Okay, back to our trails.
Want to take photo?
Yeah, just let me go ahead a few feet here. We're on the trail here. Nice boardwalk here, walking in the jungle. All the rest of the folks are in back of me, back there, as you can probably see, rest of our group. But it's very hot. Not a breeze stirring here. I'm a human sweat ball, but that's the nature of the game here. So, all right, let's keep on moving here. Oh, I'm here along the shore. We're going to look at some of these rocks. Now, there's an interesting thing up here. Now, you tell me if you recognize it too. Doesn't that right there look like 2 eyes, like a ghostly image? And that one up there too, like looking at you with like ghost coming down or something there. I don't know, maybe it's the heat getting to me, but that's what I see here. So take a look at that. Spooky, spooky. So all right, Ed Gatley signing off. Hey, subscribers would be most welcome. Now coming up here to like a cleave and a crevice in here. Perhaps Marco is going to explore it and shimmy on through, and I'll run around to the other side and catch you coming out. I don't think so, but you could get wedged in there. We'd have to get the jaws of life to get you out of there. Yeah, so, but okay, it goes right up there. Everything, the rocks, all different colors. Looks like a little drum right there. I'm seeing things here. Maybe I see things that no one else sees here. I'm one-man travel, a visionary that can see things that no one else sees. That's true here. Yeah, okay. Well, walking around the rocks here on the beach, you can see all these different colorations in there. All of the nice yellows and tans, and you got the reds in there. You got things growing out of it. You got black and everything, and this is the other end of that crevice. It looks a lot bigger through here. Maybe it wasn't the same crevice. Maybe it was a different one. We'll walk around this side. This overhang here. We got all the barnacles here. Maybe I got some barnacles growing on me. I don't know. Here, so yeah, down the beach. I forget. Oh, this is the South China Sea. I'm not sure. I have to look it up. Put it down on the bottom of the video there, but here it is. Nobody on the beach. This beach looks pretty clean here, but of course no swimming or anything here. Okay, we're leaving the rocks, and as we leave the rocks, leave you with one last message. Come down here to I'm One Man Here we go. That's what we're doing. I got my shadow in there, trying to get Shadow Man out of there. But there you go. That's something great. Okay, bye-bye all.
Cobra is a photograph part.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it looks like Cobra a little bit there, yeah.
You have to agree that stone looks like a toad, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.